Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I am doing a NCT Dream Hot Sauce album unboxing, but I have all three versions. I got them all off Choice Music. I'm gonna show you the clip of me opening the box, and then we will get into the albums. First, it did include the sticker, which has like the NCT Dream little logos on it, which I thought was cute. But here is what we came here from. So I believe this is A, B, and C on how they were advertised. I'm gonna look it up quick, but I know this one, I don't know like the names of them. I'm gonna look them up because I screenshotted it from this moment. Okay, so this is crazy, this is burning, and then this is the chilling version. I have a speech impediment, so it might, yeah. Okay, we're gonna start with crazy and then working our way to burning and chilling. So this is the front, and then this, I believe, is the back. They do slide out like the NCT Neozone 127 albums. Ooh, someone's stuck. Wow. Okay, so these, I'm just gonna look at the rest of the book quick. Cute. Wow. Wow, guys. Using the stickers. How cute. Okay, I believe this is the individual one, and then this is the group one, so I'm gonna look at these quick. Also, this is another kind of Neozone thing. Neozone has the same little flippy things, and I never looked at my Neozone ones because I didn't want pages to talk about. Wow. Oh, wow, look at the back of it. Oh. So pretty. If you hear people in the back kind of talking, we have a full house. Everyone except my dad's home. Okay, first off, we should start here. They have little notes on the back. Oh wait, it's all just notes. I'm goofy. Aww. I thought this was a, well, I mean, obviously it's kind of like a thank you kind of thing. A thanks to. I'm goofy. When I got these off Choice Music, I premiered them April 10th. Today is May. What is today? Today is May 27th, I want to say. So when I premiered them, they didn't have postings coming. Well, that's how they weren't being advertised. And then I got an email on my birthday saying that I could cancel the order and get the one with the posting if I wanted. But at that point, I did not have the money in my bank account to just switch up like that. So It didn't come with a good posting, none of them did, but I'm still very excited of the little SM ad. Is it a SM album? I think it's not an ad in it. Okay, so first we'll do this one. I just saw what both of them won. Oh my god, I needed him. No way. I'm trying to complete my NCT Dream set of photo cards. I need an Anju. Well, I have an Anju now. I need Jeno and Jaemin. And wow. Look. Also, it's the Cafe Dream one. So cute. My mom is having a midlife crisis outside. Wow. Oh my god, it's Jisung. No way. No. Ah! Wait, so cute. Okay, we're gonna move on to the second one, which was Bunging Jalapeno. I have a speech impediment. My apologies. I can't say my awns. I don't know who's watching this and why I'm making it so official, but
My mom's gonna cry when she sees this. She thinks I take scissors and stuff to albums. Did you even open it? No, I did not. Oh. There we go.
oh, maybe. Hold on. Okay, album 2. This is, I believe, wait. Yeah, this is Bunging Jalapeno, I believe. Yeah, because I think the last one's chillin', but the colors of these look almost identical, except the background colors are like green. And the background colors in this one are obviously like red. Once again, I'm gonna pop that out, but these, oh wow. Different photo shoot kind of thing. I love how that's not how he started the last one, but okay, first off, I cannot get enough of the like holographic little covers. Yeah, the little sets on the inside. Also, this set was easily my most favorite set they did from the like promotions of the album. So good. I don't know, it's so, I love that. Wow. Also, I did not put anything back in the cases yet because, like I said, my sister had bought one off of me. Oh. Oh, no. No, we do not. I didn't say, well, I'm obviously, wait, can we flip them quick? Oh, ooh. I flipped them. I have no clue who they are now, so. Show stopping. Amazing. That's so good. Oh my god. So good. Wow. Wow. I did not see this in the last one. Oh, ooh. Wow. Okay, obviously. Oh. I'm gonna go stickers. I love the little like hot sauce themed ones. That one's cute too. I like that one. I do not know how I laid these out. Of course, like I said, this is my. Did And then this one, how exciting. Oh my god! I might have to give this to my mom. She loves Jeno. In like a not weird way. Okay, now focus off the good old SM ad. I'm so nervous. I also can't make cursive. I have no idea who that is. Fantastic. Chenla. Oh, she kinda. I don't know if you could. Oh, Sunny May. What a kind little lady. This is so funny. My sister has the same one, and she got a full Chenla set when she pulled. What are the odds I get a full Chenla set? That'd be funny. Ooh. Like I said, I have no clue what that says because I can't make cursive. Oh, it's Shaman. So exciting. And then we finally have the chilling version. Let's see if we can bust into this. Hi, Bubba. Oh, do you want to come say hi? Yeah, hello. Did Mama switch up and move some stuff? Come on. I'm gonna open this and deal with my cat. I moved the cat and I'm back. I got it open as well. As I said, this is, I think, chilling. Do not quote me on that. I never noticed this. This is the necklace on the side of the album, and all of them have it. I just never noticed. I'm gonna, of course, slide this bad boy out. I don't know why. Look, it literally just sticks in there, and it's. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Did anything come out? Yeah. Okay. Like I said, first things first, the book. I love the color yellow. Favorite color. So, I think I already know what CD is going in my CD album for a little music listening. And I think it's going to be the yellow one, obviously. This set, this like little shoot set was weird. I don't know. They all look so good though, man. I don't know. Wow. Only if they put this much effort into a wavy album now, that'd be something. Oh. Nope. What? What are you doing? Bubba? Where are you going? I dealt with the cat again. I'm back. Like I said, holographic. Kind of get a good look at you. So good. The good old yellow boy. This one's the one going in my CD case. Love it. So good. You got the stickers. It is so windy outside. My apologies. I don't know if you could. Oh, wow. Wow. I don't know. These kind of pop off, I guess. I don't know. I don't know too much about those two, but love it. Love it, love it, love it. Little flip book. I'm of course not gonna flip through all of this. We still have photo cards to do. Yep. Okay, this is a little special thanks. And all of the special thanks is the same. Most likely kind of funny. I'm not gonna cap. Ooh. The little pose is so good. So good. Once again, the good old SM ad. Well, yeah. So good, I guess. You got another Jamin. The cat is escaping. Oh my goodness. And these kind of bug me because they don't have anything. Ah! Wow. Kind of pop off though. Wow. That was the end of the video, I guess. I hope you enjoyed. Also, this is like not gonna be super edited because I wanted everything to be a like genuine reaction. So I hope you enjoyed. I'll probably see you next week from a K-pop album tour, on a bedroom video, and maybe even a K-pop journal. I don't know. I will see you next week. Maybe. See you soon, I guess.